Begin by ensuring all canning jars, lids, and bands are clean, washed in hot, soapy water, and rinsed well. Sterilize these in a large pot of boiling water for 10 minutes, keeping them hot until ready for use. Next, prepare the tomatoes. After a thorough wash, make a small X at the bottom of each tomato. Blanch these in boiling water for about a minute, then immediately transfer them to ice water. The skins should slip off easily. Once peeled, remove the cores and prepare the tomatoes according to your preference, whole, halved, or chopped. Now, gently heat the peeled tomatoes in a large pot until they reach a boil. This step is crucial to prevent the jars from breaking when filled with hot tomatoes. Moving on to the jars, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid to each pint jar. Double the amounts for quart jars. Optionally, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt per pint jar for flavor. It's time to fill the jars. Pack the hot tomatoes into the jars, leaving a 1/2-inch headspace at the top. Use a clean knife or spatula to remove any air bubbles. Wipe the rims of the jars with a clean cloth or paper towel. Seal the jars by placing the lids and screwing on the bands until fingertip tight. To process, place the jars in a canning pot, cover them with water, and bring to a boil. Process pint jars for 40 minutes and quart jars for 45 minutes, adjusting the time based on altitude. Once done, carefully remove the jars and let them cool on a towel for 12 to 24 hours. After checking the seals, label and store in a cool, dark place. Remember, properly canned tomatoes have a shelf life of about 12 to 18 months. For best quality, use them within a year and always check for signs of spoilage before use. Canning is both an art and a science. It's essential to follow proper canning guidelines to ensure food safety. Enjoy your home canned tomatoes in sauces, soups, stews, and more throughout the year. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Magnolia Moon channel for more great recipes and inspiration for the soul. Happy canning!